Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. We are going to be doing my Ricky's Cult Crushes box. This one is for the month of July 2018. As you guys have probably already seen on Instagram, Cult Crushes has raised their price from $11 up to $14. So now we're going to be checking out if they're living up to their price increase, if they're still coming out with great products, or if it's time, to cancel or not. With that being said, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get straight to this unboxing. I already have my trusty knife. Box cutter's coming soon. I need to buy one. Opening up the box. And today, I got my Ricky's Cult Crushes pretty early this month. Usually, like this past few months, I've been getting them like towards the end of the month. They're stepping it up in that sense. So, first things first, we get the pamphlet, which doesn't include prices, it just includes the products. We'll set that to the side. First things first, I already have an opinion. We're getting a Ricky Care Backstage Travel Wipes. I think with Ricky's NYC, they have a tendency to send makeup removing products almost every month. I think last month was a Bioderma, and then we've had quite a few makeup wipes and makeup removers, I think, or mostly makeup wipes in the past. I think it's just their thing. I don't know if they're going to change it up soon, but I mean, I'm not like mad about it, but I wish that they would switch it up when it comes to makeup. I'm already pretty stocked makeup wipes. I'm already pretty stocked up with these. Next item here is an item that I am familiar with. I believe I got this in my first Ricky's box when I subscribed to their box. Back in October of 2017, I got one of these liquid lipsticks. I think the one that I got was in the color Kiss of Death. I could be lying. I need to check. This one is in the color 911 Death Dealer. Why am I like secretly living for these names? You know what I'm saying? Ooh, this is a really pretty color. This is like, I love the packaging too. The color is really, really nice. It is like a very deep berry. Let's give it a little swatch. Ooh, this is pretty. I don't want to do a big swatch because I have to go to work in like a few minutes, and I don't want to be working with like a big lip swatch on. But look how nice that is. That is a really nice color. I'm all about the deep colors, the deep berries. I feel like they flatter me very well, and I live for them, and I wear them all the time, even if it's summer. So this is a good item as well. The next item here is an item that I am actually very excited. I did see a spoiler for this, and it is the Bat Those Lashes Volumizing Lash Serum Fluttering Volume from Smack Beauty. I am actually very happy to be receiving this because I have little to non-existent lashes. I've had this tendency to I'm always like this all the time, and I always tend to pull them out, and I have hardly any lashes. The bottom lashes are completely non-existent. This one has barely a few that they're growing in, but this side of my bottom lash, I only have like half of it with lashes. The other half is like bald. So I'm excited to try this, and I hope this works for me, and I'm happy they threw it in. Next item, let's see. Ooh, we got some bubble wrap. So next two items came covered in bubble wrap. One of them is a LA Splash Vanishing Potion number 33 waterproof makeup remover. Another makeup remover. I'm not mad about it, but still I'm just like, why? It says Dose of Rose. So it looks like this. I think the bottle is just ombre. I don't think the product is pink. It smells a lot like roses. It is kind of like an oily or watery well, it is water. I don't know if this is oil or water. It feels oily. I will use this. I mean, another makeup remover, okay. I have a quick rant about Cult Crushes. I thought we were going to get an eyebrow product because they were kind of showing spoilers of there possibly being a colorful eyebrow product, which never happened, I think. I don't know I think they deleted the picture. I've heard people say. I could be lying. I don't know if maybe we'll get it in next month's box, or they couldn't get enough product to ship out to everyone. I don't know what happened, but this is probably like a replacement product for that. I'm not super excited about this, but I'm going to go ahead and use it. I'm just not like crazy about it. Next item here is a Glamazon Beauty Cream Highlighter. I've heard of Glamazon Beauty. I have seen them on Ricky's NYC website. It is a very affordable brand. It is Glamazon by Kim Baker. Ooh, I think this is like a gold. I'm a little bit afraid to swatch it. I don't know how it's going to translate on my skin. I think this is in the color Golden Goddess. I don't know if this might be too deep for me. I'm going to go ahead and take the chance and swatch it. It is a cream highlighter. I think this might be a tad bit deep for me. There we go. It might be a little bit too deep for me. I'm thinking I might only be able to use this like on my body, on my shoulders and stuff. I don't know if I can use this on my face. Probably shouldn't have swatched it. I could have thrown it in a giveaway. This is the color. I know you guys probably saw my window. I know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I should keep it or pass it to a family member, but I can't wear this on my face. Only probably on my shoulders. And that concludes it, you guys. That was my Ricky's NYC July unboxing. And I believe Ricky's Cold Crushes has a lot of potential. The box is still very affordable, $14. I'm going to hang on to them for a couple more months. I want to see them evolve. I want to see them get back to the palettes, back to the more exciting stuff. This box was very good. Like, I enjoyed most everything. I feel like the only thing that I probably is not going to work for me is the highlighter. But other than that, I'm going to use all the rest of the other products. With that being said, I still love Cold Crushes. I'm still going to support them. And we're going to see if these next months get better. With that being said, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.